Welcome back, plant lovers. Today we're repotting these beauties, swapping out the red soil for compost to give them the best chance to thrive. You can see these are the plants we're repotting today to help them grow healthier, stronger, and happier indoors. You can see already there's repotting process happening in the background. Fresh soil, more space for roots, and a better environment make a huge difference in plants. Repotting helps refresh old soil, give root more space, improve healthier growth, keep your plants looking fresh and vibrant. We are using Hopawi compost mixture, which is rich in nutrient and drains water easily. Stay tuned and watch the transformation from root bound to room ready. Now comes one of the most important steps after repotting, watering the plants. After placing the plants into fresh soil, watering helps the soil settle properly around the roots and remove air pockets that can dry the roots out. It also helps reduce transplant stress and allow the plants to adjust comfortably to its new home. A good fast watering gives the roots moisture, support, and a healthy start for new growth. You can already see the soil soaking in the water and the plants looking fresh, revived. Fresh soil, more space, hydration, and happy plants.